Hi, I'm Emma, and today I'm going to show you how to make a twist bracelet. So you're going to need a clipboard, however many types of string you want. I'm picking 3 types, which is pink, purple, and blue, and scissors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is measure out your wingspan. So this is you're going to want to take the end of the string and put it in between your thumb and your pointer, and then coast it through the end of your other, and then go the full length of your body, and then cut right here. And boom. So do this with all your strings. So once you cut all of your strings, you're going to want to untangle them from each other and then line them up together. So this is what mine looks like, and make sure that there are no tangles throughout the string. So next you're going to fold the string over to create a half, and then you're going to knot it. To knot it, you're going to want to cross, and then you're going to want to tie, and then flip, and then push through again. And then, boom, you have a knot. So this is my finished knot. I made it a little smaller. So next, you're going to want to place it on your clipboard like this. And then you're going to want to start spiraling. The next step is separating your colors into the order you want. I want to go blue, purple, pink. And so I've already separated them out, and now after you separate them out in the order, you're going to want to combine the 2 you don't want to use and use these 2. So you're going to want to make a 4 shape, and then you're going to want to lift up the middle and then pull under and then pull up, and make sure you get it really tight. And then I'm going to continue this motion until I get to my desired length. But this is how you go to the next color. So after, say you have the purple and you just did the purple, you're going to want to just grab the next color and do a 4 and continue to do that. Okay, so I finished. So now I'm going to cut off the extra, and then I'm going to tie it around my wrist. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you make a twist bracelet.